para fatsa ra ka mo beletsa a re doctor tsoga
ke doctor ke shop
doctor
doctor thank you man
ke bodi me se mo ritse mothefe
mamedi dumelang tleng ke re dumedisa ke laboraro ya berel kara tabe ya manyalo le relationship then I can't
ba santse ba itse doctor laboraro teng re bua ka tse di
assembly
re bua ka manyalo le ra bankanya doctor mo gona le photo ra bankanya
ndate re a chemical nda
mo ritse mothefe me ga bene bana ntse ba tsukile re ba go robala ya re bua tse di thata ya re doctor re bua change re bua tse di nyano
aba tsamaya
doctor ntse ko lo ra ibele go thokwane ya go butla ya re tse mo tse di thata tse di ano
aba tsamaya
doctor
yeah
gompieno ke batla re what's e batlile na ya bet similar go ya last week
okay
topic ele last week ne re focus thata gore what leads to divorce
okay
now re batla gore this week re go re gatele re motho o tsa decision hela kapa ke eng gore the key thing is go romelang go divorce and most people maybe kana ba re nna ona antena kapa nna ke ne ke boregile mo lenyalo o mongwe tsene because santsa tsene mo lenyalo go tloga tloga o hetwa di bona di jara tsa go tla go bara no ga sa tsena nne masebe le nyaka what is the gore re ka reng yone doctor is the most key thing le wena maybe o ntse di counseling maybe after time o tla motho re ke mo diwe because of this what is the most key about you doctor leading to divorce
mo momedi dumelang page ya ka ke Pastor November and Victoria's Faith Ministry ke life mo page yaka mo ke leng life ke Pastor November and Victoria's Faith Ministry TikTok ke Dr. November kapa Pastor November dilipedi ke live TikTok ke Pastor November kapa Dr. November ke live maphosa wa tseba it's just that the ntotse I don't know re na le a key a una key next I can re ona le
a key
e ring this one yona ke yona it's a divorce no re divorce ka mabaka fapaneng re na le different reasons for divorce e mo tla divorce ka baka la cheating e mo divorce ka baka la chelete a fi chelete e mo nga divorce ka baka la hore ha fi mofutu ke motho rona motho a ka mphi mofutu o dula
o dingela marapana
re divorce motho rona nna ne ke what lenyalo la ka ne le abusive wa bona rena le batho ba jwala ba tlopela lenyalo la ne le abusive ba bomba tare ke divorce because kapa ke divorce kapa ke arwana le motho ka because the relationship ya ka is toxic well ban so many reasons tse tsang re batho ba divorce wa bona and but now one of the thing in ke khalla o tlo bua le yona happy after potso ya ne ke khalla hore re check hape hore re bue le batho ba check eng because hona le dintho tse batho tsantse ba di check before breakup kapa before divorce I think tse batho tsantse ba di check
okay
ngudile mara agree ya pele batho ba divorce for different reasons ne
because we don't have the key
we don't le karogano ya batho a ena mabaka ona le batho ba I was na motho kana na kwa ka so ke feel hore no ka mpaka tlogale wa bona and then ba bang no the relationship ya ka is toxic wa bona but this is toxic but toxic yo
every word of take toxic
toxic how can I give because in English
maybe
so
maybe we can only idea of serious how are toxic next week we got toxic
next week we got toxic because they talk toxic the relationship got toxic motokana le toxic
what is this toxic
hey but now coming to issue dinto tsantse batho ba di check my boss what's about divorce is not for everyone I'm telling you divorce kapa arohana le batho it's not for everyone two divorce kapa hona le batho ba o re sa tshwanalang go ba lusa gore hona le batho bao nkareng wena mo mamedi wa ka ratang eno yena wa tshwanalang mo lusa. But the problem ke when re na le di problem ka ramanyalo kapa ka rata relationship ha re weigh the problem and the person yona le kapa the kind of marriage on alone. Can I repeat that?
Please.
Are we
decision making and leone kana go.
Are we
the problem.
The problem
with the person.
The person. Gore ha ile problem le motho ke e bohlokwa mo gonna. Ke fe e bohlokwa gonna. Mbongo utlwane. E deep ne.
Blind. I deep doctor.
E deep.
I deep.
Okay.
Hey.
You know why? Because Oscar Lebala, Renali Lignalo, which is one about 12 Lignalo, Lilimbo Shoko Yena. If I can lose a Lignalo Leo, Kimashangayan zero, Kimashan Bufutani, Kimashangayan Kai. Then Renalba Tosakambanyalo, but one lady partner. That is why kitoring onale motos of Sanalong Mulus. Jolly Kibaka about Wasanyala na Marbana lady partners. Onale moto yos of Sanalong Mulus. Now I get it, but problem Mamanyalo are to be way or bona or deep problem, keep problem, but very important take a partner raka pakiling yalaka. Because onale manyalo are very important more than problem you and leon. I want you to come from your marriage is so much important than your problem. But today when you make a decision, you just consider the problem. You have to focus on the problem. But you don't check the marriage for
that is why after divorce
but I'm telling you that because we don't check that thing. I already check it in total.
Rush through decisions.
We just rush and repush and repush pain or no. And then kapa boyfriend kapa girlfriend. We just make a decision because of the pain and the frustration, the pressure. But we don't check, we don't evaluate. Richard, or highly problem here. Lili Jalo Laka, Kapali partner Yaka, kill fee a bushokwa, Eki Sachana Lang lose. So, but what is it? But choose the problem. Most of the time, we choose the problem. Choose a problem. Then Ubuluza Linyar, Ubuluza Mot. That is why my post. Renali me kukuno. Mekuku is growing. And the commercial Mekuku, you this was in that. You this was back to the Manalo. But lose it because I don't know check out Mare guys. It's a bonaki problem. But man, Mutua, come on. Mutua Busho, come on. When I about to check about Babona man. Kiamona faith, Kiabona on a little mistake, Kiabona on a little weakness is but Muntuaka Ubuso kwa doesn't matter the mistake Ubuso doesn't matter Mutaka but since I let them there are things that change since I let them progress since I let them since Kilekarali Nyalo the life like I change because Honalama Nyalo I change my pillow about that. When I about to bow my Nyalo I change my pillow born. But it's just that I really consider it into
Receive the problem.
Receive the problem.
At the time.
Receive the problem.
Dr. Konalo Motaring, I can not Mutwaga Kohe. Haisali, Dr. Haisali, and make a pillar monata, but only push to speak Mutohe. But just after that, why Nekimo Quatra for pushing in Yanian? No, Yanaka Gabona, or there's open, but there's a vague something, everyone, man, hot shot. Because Kim Kanakamu so scanning.
Rayet, most about Rayet until most about Rayet.
You know, last week we were something, Doctor. A quiet wife, a lady. Answer Mutu. As a Hamala from Mala. What Dimala for But today we work something different. Now, this lady, have we every day, everybody? And man, I made a mistake. I regret, man. I made a mistake.
And let me tell you something. I will tell you the honest truth. 90% about regret. 90% about regret. And let me tell you something. One of the things is dangerous when I'm poor. One of the things is dangerous. Only the laboratory, but divorce, papa, the partner, what's my king? That one is dangerous. Sometimes it is not the problem. Only dating or but divorce. Mariki bufoko di but bali lemba like a problem. They were too weak to deal the problem.
Too weak to deal with the problem.
Too weak. Most of us in that day, I see the problem, let's say it's already divorce, but it is because we are too weak to deal the problem. Why is it all? Because without a lot of people who marry divorce and catch on about something about body company later on. So sometimes it is not the problem no, it's us to being too weak to deal with the problem. And the problem goes, we were weak. Really weak.
I was weak.
I was weak to deal with the problem.
I was weak.
Example. Once Bekimulash. Musadu Mababler, Munaga Chitile, once Bekimulash. Okay. Omuta Bler, Nawako Dilong, we are still together.
Still together.
Munawako Dilong, but we are still.
I would wish I had someone like a voice, Papa. Mauka to come see our bank and I know the Jula Monati. If you have some other Campbell, one at a chaka, Umpelaka, one chaka. And I will cheat. So hate I
we are pause. One of the ribs in Erishap, and we are 2 weeks sometimes. As much and the third part, you know, it's like when it's an amokoli, ubu driver koli, usa it's ohan, ebu tula bulimala. You know, you are argument if we can akoli, ubu driver koli, how to driver koli, it's ubu tula, ubu limala. We screen the whole. Are you blaming the car? Wrong? Why? But it's just that Mutu, Mokoli, my driver Koloi, Usukut, for Koloi, Usa driver Koloi. Most of us in that Moma Nyalo, we are doing the same thing. Retena Moma Nyalo, driver Manyalo, driver the Koliali Nyalo, driver Koliadi Yale relationship. When the accident you are blaming the car. Hantik Butata Kwena, Kabu, driver Koloi.
Doctor,
because all about Baba driving there was a time when the teacher man killing and peace and yes we kill and peace kinakibaka report to lumo kirle nyalo le report to ngira kabwa county we una baba ni sawo I kadisa ho kirle nyalo le report to carabat Potolu, una ricolite che ancora potulu, e be wella, e be ema ona mo.
Okay.
Ishella ona potulu. Reberba, the same potulu, una ricolite ficamuona, e di shapo marebe feta. And I'm telling you, the problem is not a manjaro in that. And go just what is painful? Problem is a manjaro that the relationship are the same. Problem is a manjaro. It's a relationship at the same.
I
Redilana into one.
The same problem.
Redilana into one. There is nothing special. And it's just that kind of way you real long, really frustrated. Saruna, Kiruna, but was Diran Saruna didn't special. We are not deciding to make your problem special. Mutaka Runako Hagamunaka Wachitaka, Musabaka Wachita, but there is nothing new. Munaka Kiritaka, there is nothing new.
There's nothing new.
Munaka Dilomana, there is nothing new. Munaka Ratani Frentaka, there is nothing new. There is nothing new. Nothing new. Munaka Rohakana, there is nothing new. But it's just that. Kiruna Badi Dira special. Dira special. Yeah. And once in that special, that's when Bonaka require hela or safarang, Kalijano. Poeti Batoma Pila Munati. Naja Safara. When Kiruna ba decide we are the problem it's amanyalo aruna the relationship is aruna special, but there is nothing special that I'm telling you, my boss. Nothing special.
Doctor Kibata Ribwe. That thing in the work I ring what leads to that person or ring? Okay, I'm delay push. But I'm going to push I delay and I'm gonna fix that. Okay, forgive this person and let's fix it.
Oh my God, that's
okay, Dr. A. As a person, as an individual, okay, oh man, blind. Okay, let me forgive this person and let me move forward.
Can take my metas kiss up to
Eric voice note to
can never do it. Can you go past profit? Popular vacation.
Doctor Hakala, oh, Badaga Sonta, who is Doctor Palabitu, or Halala, Doctor. I want to single doctor,
Good evening, gift. Good evening, Pastor November. Pastor November, you say some of us are too weak to deal with the problem. What if you have tried your best to deal with that problem and then there's no way out? What must you do? Thank you, it's Amanda. Bye-bye.
Okay. If I'm not phone, it's not almost. Or try it.
Because sometimes you can say, oh, try it, but so you must go or try it. I have to do it 10 times better. 10 times better. When I try it, I also we clear out. Let's get some see. All that umulati you can't say, but how can I go my who see try? What went out to get a Catholic monarch?
Nagito is an example. You can. Wabana le Nike divorce for the second time. Marco Gouchet. I get fed it to divorce. I was angry and Kifilor Mosalwaka ha Anto Hotkin ha Nasi willing.
Okay.
But reality, Kawari, ona li different attack. Ona limta kumungeje mtsiba. Ona tole mosadi wa hai. Le tamo la Radiba. Nto, ise Radiba. Loripa.
Kumura kwa
Balibis, le moto.
Hi, doctor.
Marbanza Balisa.
We put a doctor now.
That guy, Unaisa Masadi Musibeti, Masadi about that guy about some Nini Masadi, that guy har, we said a Masadi Dijo. Of man Masadi, Atawell off. Mutua,
Carlos Muslim,
Muslim get you regular period
at 5 o'clock by how you talk about alcohol? Off day today. That was the 10. I'm too for shall I start here? Hey, give me some.
When I never to make my eating. Banabalo mana di hopo, Baluana Yamato, Balumana di hopo, doctor. Cheating your more countries, acting you need it. But they are still together.
But others, Obo, Kalasus Kanana head, then it's over.
Yeah.
Is it because we were never ready for this relationship? Kapa is it because of kenna? Ke gana go amogela molato as an individual? Am I too weak?
No, but probably if it sometimes it cause king taba ya hore le divorce go be easy. Wa bona agree hona le bana ba etsang a quick decision ne ba sa kgonang ho evaluate relationship o check or king because ke batla re qetele le hore hona le batho ba sa tshwalang molosi agree re tsona le lenyalo le sa tshwalang molosi hona le batho ba lutse manyalo and since kamro re lutse lenyalo le na o sa bona it's right re be re ba le batho ba losang di partner since since you lose that person how partner kore ka re ba fedile o try o ba chinche kore o ba chinche ntate batho bo thola hore how sana partner. So that is why we need to consider. I ne ke re batho ba tshwantse ba cheke manyalo a bona. Ona le manyalo a runa bohlokwa ntate. A tshintshile maphelo a runa America e hlalositseng. But here is the biggest problem e etsang hore most ya runa banna le basadi he ho be easy ho re tswe batho ba bang. It's when re fihla maphelong a batho be re sa fihli ka impact
motho o tlela hela
o fihla bophelong ba motho o dule bophelong ba motho le qete selemo le motho but ka re you ka ra ho yo mpo
doctor
ke ngwe he yo e tsa ngore
motho o teng because sansa nnete
motho teng
ha gona mix
ha gona
impact nyana go doctor next
ha gona re na le basadi ba ka reng abanyalo wa rona le monna patatu mane ka re hana monna re na le basadi le banna ba ka reng bana ka rana mosadi re na le banna ba pheponyetse mare ka rana mosadi re be re ba le batho ba ka rata relationship ba nang le batho mare ka rana ona le motho nkileng ka utlwana le and then serut okay ke go ba ke qale story se nkileng ka stoka ga mamedi nna le tla ntshwara la kre nna ke tla ne ke bua ka nna because ha ke tsebo bala dibuka tsa bo TDJX ke kgone o bua ka ditori tsa bona
no ke tsa wena doctor
there was a lady nkileng ka montshetsa madi nkile ka stoka story se teng mara mohlomong motho ka la o sutla nkile ka kopana le this lady very humble very humble person and everything ka boikokobetso and everything ke morata ibile ke be ke re za lobola ne so malobole mona se ke nse lobola and then but still this person ke dula ke di one mo ke dula nne ha a ke and nna se ke nkile di responsibility a ke nse lobola tsone se ke bapala di role tsa bontate service a koloi ya hae tsela petrol ya koloi ya hae o change koloi tsa ka tsa makati koloi tsa ka ke bapala role ya husband
maybe not take my
I want to take my bona bo baby chechi se ha ke ba ka ntsa ke ba makai so and then this lady Becky abanta Becky mitsa ka mora 3 months sorry Becky mitsa ka mora 3 months ke re motho mo nna ke bona o si involved man ha ku bona you're not existing ha ku bona hona mo ku bona nte nna wa tsone ke nane re tatele ntho tsa dilobola a me re tatele le date ya lenyalo
okay
bra date ya lenyalo ke re ne se re beile date ya lenyalo okay waya ke kai mo jimuang te mono se ke bona o se o mong ke re ke feta jwale ka monna po jwale ka ldoda
doctor la ke le fela o fit doctor
so and now has a get feta jwala ka le dodana mo mamedi meaning this person in ke feta o ye o sa ntšhaketse sa tlile ona ne ha tlile ho nna ke a hlapa ke nkile shawa ke a hlapa a nshaba man baby ke bona fahla sa o le body a wa di tshwana wa bona ke tla tabeng ya impact wa bona a njotsa re baby ma ke bona le dark mmele wa white you are light skin but both fahla sa o motho le nna ke tsheba man ene ole unanza kanyana che unanza mpona wa bona
nothing
because nothing but there was nothing okay about no let me take you to Johannesburg we say Dr. Nyangwe somewhere can it tell Dr. Nyangwe Johannesburg ka tshelde yaka isinga tshelde yaka ankisa and then Dr. Nimpa ntwetlinang letlalo laka ke tloanyana o ba sharp ha qetile ke ne ke na le ke ne bitsa di wrinkles and you are not in an authority, Dr. Nyanape. I'll inject
for these wrinkles.
Kiamon Shabadin, the
injection
that a stretch as far as Saka. Okay, Rejubeke, Kikana Santin Kirekari Paco, starts Nyakachel how. Togis somewhere. In a Calabona small street in Artogis small street. Are the something. Did small. Ray. I give fisherman come to Kitena. Now, one, I give Mutaraka, pay the next Mutapalang, or Parandi skinny, body in body. Sutu table skin, Aron Rekazin. Kira a caparin son Susena, Nehar. Keep past that. So no knows it how next are not the apparent in him. Kid apara. Kisheba. If man marker is smart.
Hey man, no man.
Kiki reka harpetile katatiling. I mean Sunday Kakiriki. Kakua.
I already wrinkles. Obviously fast.
Now Skabaleba. Oh, Ekibanta. Nikifita Jola.
Jola Caridoda.
Mponku.
I don't know what's here. I don't take it.
And Mama, come on, Judge. You know, Tabalona, you something. I think I talk about now, okay. Mbo, Hagir, Kirin change everybody, but like Eric. Emule Mumutunako, Banababo normal, there's something Lin Nike Bonar, there is something everywhere more chanting, changing accepting before Mahoaka, changing everything changing and quite tell Catatilingari. Baby, what's on like what Nakatesco says a crack to Mississippi, to what it's a business. Currently business young, ya in play like in a business in a quack antenna. Hello, but a play business ya high. About next door ya business play to in them. Only a place where na Harriet restaurant demo. Requeta a business in a area next door rete restaurant. Right bit. Mbota kage tame. Kage soraje. Kietaje.
Oh, okay. Kaur.
Ki sheba.
Kaur.
Ki evaluation. Evaluate and Marwetika. Ki mani otlanga impact. Ki ake kwela. Yani. Ukinse mahadi. Ki mukwela libu. Oliver le cool respect le bukwai tibahai le bukulu kabona bana kwa khai kitaka mo impact now it's not that the notorno dia tamasa but let me tell you something if nali that lady or impact renere kopani ko raske relationship ya rona ska feel mpo nkabe really fair because I used to say Moba said in Baba when you don't have anything you can be a motor feeling, only Mosadi, bring your brain to the table.
Dr.
If I want to mix, you can be a motor feeling, that lady came, e ileng ka bona change bophelo baka
doctor akatla sina chelta
akatla sina chelete
hana le kelelo
runa batho ba nang le chelete mo mamelo ka rata ha ba batle basadi ba nang le chelete most ya banna ba successful arina taba banna ba nang le ba successful they don't care una le chelete ka bona le motho o ka batla motho mosadi o nang le chelete ke monna o sina chelete because ba tla go thusiwa banna ba successful ba ka tsaya o soi o be sampoli o rekisa diapole aba phela le as long that lady can agatla le brain wena mo mami so ka bo madimabi basadi ba bangata ba rwetse di wiki tsa di 6,000 4,000 ka hlo empty
front what
front door of
frontal of the
whatever so empty empty. Now I want to come back to this thing. Wa bona this thing e ke buang ka yona motho motlo nja taba ke na taba nna ke right la ba ka ba ntjha but I want to come to this thing re na le basadi bao success tsa banna ba bona ha ba party as di party tsa bona o tlo thola success ya monna wa hao there's a side chick somewhere
ke ena na leng
ke ena to somewhere
she's the woman behind it whatever
the
brain behind whatever the business
behind everything
o bona motho ona le business a make happy but the brain behind the thing
ke side chick and that is why today rena le banna ba khotsofatsang di side chick tsa bona feta basadi ba bona re be re ba le banna I mean basadi ba khotsofatsang dinyatsi tsa bona tsa ka o feta banna ba bona you know why because hona le basadi ba o tlo thola hore beauty ya hae o mutle ka baka la side chick bi tsone
side guy or
whatever rena le banna o thola hore monna o teng bophelong ba mosadi mara ona mohlanga a contribute bophelong ba mosadi wa hae mosadi o motle but a wa contribute
how it's now go tlanga
how it's you don't even care we excited te bona mosadi wa le smart
wa mosadi wa mosadi wa para wa ikhome how it's wa para yang man how is doctor bona la motho a ntse a tla le school la montle di monka di ntho
so those are the problem that tseo batho ba dilanang le tsona and tse yetsang gore today go be easy gore batho ba latlhane is you are here but I go feel so easy gore ke tse wena bophelong ba that is why
how na impact
there is no impact in that is why rena le batho ba latlhanang easy that is why rena le batho ba tswanang
doctor itlhogo sa bona fana impact
I'm telling you
o tlisa impact na
o tlisa impact mo mamedi batho ba ngata ba te maphelong a batho
doctor ha re ka sheba sentle nna kana ka understanding yaka the key that divorce ke rena was the impact una tse impact na that was the key ha ra tse impact ono se motloge
mpho
sheba re ka tswa go le lapelele poor ma tse impact
a tlisa mpho gona le batho ba reng nenga molatla mosadi yo mare the way a change le bophelo ba ka
oh yes
gona le batho ba reng nenga tswa mo lenyalong le nenga molatla mosadi wo mare the way a tshamekileng role mo bophelong ba ka I cannot afford to lose this person gona le batho ba o ka se ngwa mo lose but gona le batho ba lose gang very easy you don't hesitate to jomogela and it's one of the reason e ileng ya itsa gore ke decide because ke ka check gore jara ka o fela ke nyetsi ke bua ka lenyalo le la divorce ya ka ya bobedi ke yona ntho entse gore ke dule ke check gore mara no there is nothing else on the gipele I can't net ke morata motho but ke na le jara ke nyetsi but ke safara na ke na le jara ke nyetsi a year and couple months but in that next safara it was like a nyala ne ke phela bophelo be ka re nga ke nyala most ya bophelo bone ke mo phela ne ke mo phela ka re ke nyala ne ke mo bolela my ex wife ke you know ke o nyetsi but ka re ke nyala everything ke ntse ke etsa the way ne ke tla tsetsa ka teng and that is why now dintho tse di letsa etsa ha di etsa a sa mfeile a etsa a cheat ka re no I cannot stand for this thing and the sad part now nine iseng affectile financial that life ya ka ya lenyalo iseng affectile financial so that is the reason momamedi batho ba bangata rena le basadi ba nkileng ibila ba tsamaya ka di camping chair ba tsamaya ka di le di betse tse pele ga swimming pool the bed of the swimming pool
of the slide
re fumane o teng bophelong ba motho mare o paqame mo beteng yeno e itse o hlabile lekokwane o cruise ke bana ba lahlwang without
any hesitation motho la ha o re ka mo shela mo file a re sheba ke even tonight ngana ka file go phone lawyer
ha re bile ke
tomorrow una di kwala di boss tomorrow morning o file di boss clarify that tomorrow morning ha kre a mo hlabe ka lengolo
ha re ke tla ma o re sia kika next door
kana shela ka next
are ke a tsama gore nka ntshongwe le take everything ke tla simola because ona lena but I exist
Wachwana.
It's wrong mpos gore banna ba ba le maphelong a batho mara bo sena mosadi wa ba sa utlo rona le monna. It's wrong that. It's wrong gore bona le monna mara bo sa utlo boteng ba monna wa hao. It's wrong gore bona le mosadi bo sa utlo boteng. Bona le banna ba aparang e kare ke sono. E ka re phatla di phatla tsa social development marona le mosadi and bo shaba basadi ba bona ba jwang ha ba clean ba smart monna ke ka re wa pere social development of government of
Doctor Moteo.
Hello Dr.
Le kae
amona tleka ke Moteo
ya man
le go go tsa hle ke go tlapa le ditso.
Okay.
Why you go go the Dr. Why magato batho ba batho ba cheka ditshobotsi ba sa seke tsone pelo na e ajifa eng hanga ka ke bone batho ba batho mo bo relationship le bo manyalo ba e sheba ditshobotsi tsa batho ba ne maholo jalo bo ba sa seke go nna le motho ba mo go ya kwa re enka khatreyetsa ele tsela pele ka ina kopo botsa
thank you motloka le bitso tla mamela mo radio a kere
ke tla mamela mo Facebook ka sheba la mo Facebook
thank you doctor are wa re sheba tshobotsi
we cannot run away from Tabaya beauty.
But beauty and the brains.
It's just that beauty
and the brains.
Yeah. Come Madimabi.
Only beauty and a brain.
ISIS.
Here guys and mama tatten doctor dim mare upstairs
nebile ki bua ka la bhlano ne kruta kanto ke re hona le ba bang ba kuti bile le ka betting ka kamore o tla go tsamaya di go gore o tla la ka se khotsa o le ka se China mo mamedi o sa tsebe se o tla la ka se gore mo mamedi o le gore bo le ka English o so le ka English as mix Uleka English mami mar the same person now nekir ka Friday nekir ha ke ruta go le ke Friday ke that is why most bomme ko ba le mamele most ya basadi ba batle ba sna brain ba use as a side chick ba use
okay tsamalene no view the event beauty makatlu gona le o itse gore ha ke tswa ko tsantsa bang ampankanyetse alese ka moshikina le meeting 3 kilo di alese o the brain
ka mo di babe basadi ba batle most of them not all of them mami most ya bona babang they don't ever pray Riberbal bo buti babantle ba di mazele mo mamedu a ka ratang ba di fuba tsentle no brain
bogole ya ka bodimo doctor le mathata
upstairs
and e bile ka tlhogo ya teng no ne gore e ka re tshetse gore bile tlhogo e heletse gore e heletse gore tlhogo doctor se se go tshameka e bo wa
go na half man
Jesus mara besina
next
e be ka re metsi a mantsi ra tletseng ka gore a go ra di batla doctor voice note
Ntate November le pose mo Ntate November ya o ratana o le mo relationship ke a tseba ke experience se ke tseba hantle 6 months in relationship ke ratana le nna motho asa nke di efforts gore ke ratana le nna kore ke force until 6 months ke bona gore amo ha ke senya nako ya ka energy and everything ya ba ke tswile mo ke tseba hantle eo ya ba mo relationshiping ha hai thank you Tate Novi busibo monate
6 months atsa male monosi
ratana le
mo tsale tena le security ka tlungela what's security doctor o gatile hela there's nothing happened nothing o ke security se se tlhaganyela ke mankantle go tloga mo next
now it just that on a serious note we cannot run away le nna ke le tsenentse ke batla nyala mara ke batla mosadi ya mobi
ba doctor o tla bo witse tla bo mo tseile ga mane tsa go tshwanetse le go phutego kwa le ga mane tsa re hallelujah phutego go batla ba mo itumetse mari nna o thata ke bone bo doctor kan tlenye ka gona tsa bo gona le impact ka bo gona le eng brain thing na
gona ba senanyo and na ilanthetsa ntho na ilanthetsa ntho ya hore I saw somebody and then ona le kulu ya hae ntlo ya hae and then ka ba convinced to right brainy thing. That is why I did not hesitate to munyala. I did not hesitate. Unkule 2 months fell back munyala because I was 100% convinced to Raman. Mutuna shuri ya kiye ngwe mapoza e dangerous here.
I need to find out how.
Wabana sometimes rinyala batu because the successes are born. Mameri ko palungu. Rinyala batu because of the successes are born. Ene baba hasikele ya ha
hasikele e tlhesisa dinyi
momame hasikele it's like how better monna mosadi o monka stene o bona monna smart o nkhampe fume monati apara smart kanti ntato a itse le go dilo tse di rekwanteng di
rekwa tse di appreciate ka yone ke re ka bona mo Facebook sometime o kile appreciate ka yone go
dile ka appreciate ka yone
yes
mathe ka moramo
motho o so tlhatsitse motho a le sekolo a le sekolo o bona na ke ene ganti no
ha se ena
hakho
bo sekolo bono there's somebody a boyetsa khona le motho boketile so it's one of the things that shapa and you know to sometimes re choose a wrong re fail because ke ngwe dintho tsa o kopana le obuti ona le ntlo gage ona le ha itsena ke na le ke kreile divorce It's a buto. At least na ko ga go bona ga go rona le kelelo ka nako tse di o thusitswe ke divorce e le gore dintlo tse a nne le tso ntlo ya ne le kolelo
iswe ke mosadi wa ga tlogela ntlo ke tla boela go gae
ke tla boela go gae
ga na se butu
yena ka boyena kelelo ya gage ine sena go mo thusa go rana le ntlo because ana yona re na le batho ba senang dikelelo tsa o accumulate anything wena mo mama
the very same husband ha ne mosadi wa itse e ke tsa ntlo le koloi o na tloga
yo
o ka wa botla ke divorce ena le kelelo a se tla re doctor
hona le divorce mo mamedi tsa le batho ba ba ka ba bona na le koloi ba sad o ka kopana le mosadi na le koloi o bonne excited or mosadi na le kelelo hona le ntato kae ko government
ntato ke na bankantse
ke no bankantse mo
le mathata mo
na ke jwa teng na bile ke bone ka matla
Doctor, it's a voice note.
Skull.
Yo, Pastor Novi, we are native. Can you do that? The merit me. I can't the Mosadi for 13 years. Kabaga Libana Lena and Chitela. Why is the more people on the upside down and Chapa Martins go horror? Who see her? At the end of the moment to Akataranto. Now it's enough. I had enough. Kilega Mokola Doctor Novino Kitty sharp. And all music grab but the merit man. And I have a Doctor Novi. Ke mothogalina mo Bloemfontein
ha morutima nana so lua ka sezulu bro
bona le boistu di go itse ka go la
dumela mama the
Hey, Tate November, gale ko mamela ke sa mamela hantle mara tsatsing lena ke ra kone ke utlwile.
Jesus.
Re ko fahlolle le wena jwale ka moruti. Motho a mobe ke yena tlo safeang life ya hao le stress sa hao. Ha motle kwa rona ha swa.
Yo.
Jwale ka moruti ko fahlolle. E mo honyetsang ke yena safeileng bophelo ba ke yena tshwereng bophelo ba hao. A re se sa hao ke yena tshwereng. Ha o tlo ba le stress ha o tlo ba leng. He motle kwa rona.
O motle kwa rona ba.
Bomme ba batlela bona ntse monyetla bona o nyalo ntse fela.
Doctor, wena go tlo le moruti ga mante go fatlholle doctor.
Keng ke letsa mamedi keng.
Ya doctor.
Mame
Wena o tlo batla o montle doctor.
maikutlo mamedi a bohlokwa mara sa di mo bile.
Wa ga go o le monosi doctor bona mo bashonyana o ke na go le monosi.
Ako now here's the thing when important e kgalang gore batho ba ithute yona lona batho ba ngalang le ba tswa mathong le ba tswa manyalong. Sometimes it's very important to make a decision ya utswa o ile wa dula fatshe wa checka ability ya hao alone gore o ka kgona na
Wena on yourself. Doctor ka utlwa nix doctor. Nix.
it's very important to check bokgoni bao. Ona le batho bane ba tswile manyalong because anana hana tla kgona alone. The reason why ana it's a decision I do not fata check or tla kgona alone. But ba batho to the relationship you did not sit down and check gore o tla kgona.
Thank you doctor. Motheo dumela. Ya, alright, we bolaile doctor, we bolaile.
We utlwile mapos.
Ke utlwile doctor. Bona ganne on your own o tla kgona. O bo tswa tla.
Even ha re tswa ka English. I don't care. I will make it alone.
I can't live without you.
Without you. Re tswa ka English. Na ke tswa ya batho ba tsama ka English.
No, I think maybe in a wait. I mean, I wait here.
I get to why batho ba sa tsamaya.
I don't care.
I'm not desperate.
I'm not desperate.
So far until
I'm fine.
Today baba mbabona ba tswile ba sa sheba bogoni ba bona. That is why today baba forced to join le banna ba batho because you thought you will make it alone. Because ununa na wena o tambongu
doctor Motheo dumela.
Tate November.
Ndade.
Ke dingwe le tsona ke tsatelo tswa ke dinago.
Ya mwami.
Ke tsena le lona ke le jela hantle ga tse o ke manage hantle.
Alright, no ra le bokamora tswa.
Tanko.
We utlile mbo.
Doctor.
Think.
Who
to making a decision o sa sheba bogoni ba. That is why today rena le batho tsene manyalo ba bang ba suffer ka sehlo ba bang e se le responsibility tsa batswadi ba bona ba se ba rile ile batswadi ba bona and hana tswa ona na hano tlo khona le mo ba bang rena le batho ba se ba rile ile ba neng ba batho hore a survive o tshwantse a thuswe ke monna. That is why today most ya batho ba tswile manyalo they go for merit man. Most ya bontate ba bang ba sa khone mo mamedi ka rata ba bang ba batlana le ba hlolo ga di high and low gore ba ya diphihlong no to lo support gore lo batla go sheba ro hloka itse mang ha ka ba ho hloka itse ntate a khutla bona re tloetsa ba mo because re tsile rangala re sa tsibile bogoni
a doctor motho lo tsidisa a ke fiele tlhagile go tlo
Matsidisa manga diphihlong go se ka wa trust.
Fana le tsidisiwa go sheba potential.
I'm telling you that it's one of the things that shapang batho ba bangata ya o yetsa decision o sa sheba
no I can
you can
it's fine ke tla
ona le batho ba na ba tla khona le today so kala recover since I do like hero mo tswa ntlong ya smart from the beautiful house from
to rental
ba rent and today le cruiser ke botata just to buy a cruiser ke botata so that is why today ba tshwana lore but the same thing I baleileng mhlomo o tsile because of cheating today ke a cheater no he said na a cheater or a survive awa you o tswile ka tlung because monna a cheater kapa mosadi a cheater ba tswa but today o re yena survive no o tsantsi be a cheater a cheater ka monna motho because we normally think re tla gona that is why ke re ra re kala mona ke it's very important mami ka rata o check a problem or my problem o evaluate or problem ke a bona man o problem ke a bona monna ka ke no yentse ngwana but if ke loser lenyalo laka ke loser ntlotsa ke loser everything ka baka la ngwana ya worth another
it's not worth it. It's not worth it.
Renkari to 20 lo recho ka lo hira.
Maybe doctor batsadi ba rona manyala a bona na se iwa ke some of things ba evaluate ba share ba rona but monna o
bana ba
dula doctor
bana ba yet o tla bolela ke ya ka bana ba ke lo phela le jwang le bana una evaluate bana ba yetsa rona we don't do that. We don't do
that. Doctor mo manyalo anu yana ba sa dintse ba laiwa go dula le bone ka dikamoro ke la bolelwa for ra khadi ke le mama go ba tla go bolela ka ba le bo mama o bolela he mo le nyalo go atise go dua ha sa diwa maybe that is why that's some of the things motho a tsena a monna mo tina wa tswa tsamaya ha niwa di advice tse di teng tsa pele gore wa dula wa tshwarela wa mamela mo lenyana
a re sa lawa a isa le yonto and o shebe e batenene the only time mo re tlo honande o tlo nyalwa ke mohla o tlo yang counseling mohla o tlo nyalang
pre-marriage counseling
ya beke and le counselor for matsatsi beke matsatsi itseng for a lifetime decision but le counselor for
a week ile le beke ntse because doctor ke mantara la bone se go prepare la bulotse no okay ha se tla kopana Saturday ka lenyala re sangena
sheba when you want to be a teacher you go for college college for 4 years why 4 years because practical bao check why 4 years because u tlo ba a teacher for your rest of your life. You're going to be a teacher for the rest of your life.
Na go ka for na dog for na
7 years.
7 years. O ya di practical.
O ya di practical.
Because ba kana le bophelo ba ga o na doctor o le bophelo ba motho whatever the case. Le nyalo be re ya beki. Re ke la beki la no vi mpile sharp ke monate ano a sana se monate le beki. Ra motse success.
Ke rata ka. O etsa ntho e bitswang di in party.
Bachelor party.
O tlo shebele bachelor party tsa go invite bo mang a o ka thole bongkgono a o thole bongkgono
doctor go tswa jokes pa
o bitswa ba sa nyalwang ba khotse manyalo ba snam banna ba se interested ka manyalo ke bona chomi o tlo ba advice chomi chomi you must know you must make your husband happy re lawa ke ba khotse ba runa re lawa ke di friend tsa rona le di ntho kana ke ya bosigo ha le nyala le mosegare bosigo bitswang nna ke lebetse
budi after but honeymoon di
ke a ke le nyala le mosegare reception receptioning ke mona mo o tla sa motho go ema mpho ke le to
la ya mo ke na le voice nyana ka ke ema kwa ke ditsa go pele mhlenga ditsa ba dutse mo phute ha no ga manje no vi good decision ha ke itse ne se ka le nyana tsiko no good no
ema le ba gotsi ba runa
o tshwara le
mara
ke ana go bolela
ho ema le ba gotsi ba runa o tlo bolela reception o tlo bua mogotsi wa hao mpho mona sole monna jwa o itshwara
o nyetswe
o tauwe mogotsi ona ga ibile ba o emetse re le lota ba bitre
ba tlela lenyalo for di jwela di enya tsa go bua ba bolela ka mogga doctor ke bona mo go wena mo Facebook mo TikTok
ba ngata ho la butwa ka ke sala
a go ba etsa doctor ke na meletsa I think le yona mentsi ka doctor ba ke tla le ka gore ke tabaga ka bonako
Hi, Mpho. Leno vika mo. Yo, nna ke re ntho ya ho mamella sometimes ha e reg. Cause batho ba bangata ba South Park ba mabitleng ke ntho ya ho mamella, so ho mamella hona le mo hlokahalang teng, but ntho tse abusive ha khona ba tekosini wa so bo itsamayele e se taba gore maybe o weak kapa jwang, but peace ya hao o boloke peace ya hao le bophelo ba hao. Re phela ha iwane fela lefatsheng, re phele hangata ke yona ka bobika swart.
Mphoza le dog ka mo ai dog wa ruta hai baneng go feila ha hao ke bophelo go batho, let it be. A tseba o bua ntho tse bohlokwa moruti wa ka, o bua ntho tse bohlokwa e ka re batho re ka rabella di judgment tsa rona ka thoko, ra nka sena seo modimo se beya se investileng ka hare ho wena. Manyalo mangata tlo survive ba ka o mamela. Ke a leboha ke ntate.
Thank you, Moleleki, doctor. Ke bone nuna are kana go mamella.
No, na manyalo re ka ska rara but una di relationship ka ba manyalo re ka ska rara batho ba mamelle, especially more physical abuse, more than a physical.
When it doctor, only abuse different, but this
one
it is
physical
because only emotional abuse or to some way only ba di bisa ka bontsi ka go ba ditsa but only physical.
Yeah, ke ona re ka rara batho ba ska ba mamella. Yeah, wa bona. But na thank you ntate ke ntate mang
Ntate Moleleki.
Thank you ntate Moleleki. Ke nnete ke a leboha. O tsaba maphosa, one of the thing about what's on by today ya o qetela ke hore when o phela le motho, okay, when o tla bophelong ba motho, ska tla bophelong ba motho o sa ka wa checka role yo e bapalang bophelong ba motho. Study the life of the person before you come, because when you idle that life ya lenyalo ka relationship is on a level. You cannot go to chiefs usina position o lo e bapala.
That's true.
Already when we are chiefs, you already know the position o lo e bapala. Now but ba batla maphelo nga batho ba bang ntwe ba shapang ka majisang ka madaes motho tla ba le interested bophelong ba ba tlotlo ba mosadi wa kapa ba tlotlo ba monna wa hao ba ta qetile ka dula fatsa shebo position a tlo bapala ge the role a tlo bapala. It's very important. Wa bona no jole ke etsa ntho the right pick ke na le show etsa the right pick mo ke data batho nna no se ke botsa motho ke di feeding to so bona mo ka di etsa bophelo ba what are the thing o studyile eng wona o tseba eng o sheba because ntho o tle bophelo ba motho mo mamedi how so fihlile how o tsebo tshwara kae how o tsebo fita kae how o tsebe role tlo bapala. That's when you are going to find yourself fully useless bophelo ba motho. Ke tswa mo ne ke la ka tsama mona hantse ke dula botshabelo mo ka tshakela family ya ka soupane mona o tla a fika cousin tsaka diabolo ba ntjotsa ba re mona re a bolomo ke tla ene tla Bloemfontein ne ke dula butwa ka Rocklands ke re le a bolo ba re ke re ke tsamalelo ba re tlo hlala ke re ke tseba bolo it's ka kana go tsena ho hla blomo wa bona mo o blind
o tla toropo ye we dangerous
ba re cousin tsaka di bolela batho ba team ye mo ya Supano rema re na le cousin ya rona hlang blom ke ba re a re mo fetok di cox tsentsha ntho mampa di cox ba pass candy ski bar ke dlala man ke re number 9 ke tsebe number 9 mamelo mtho FM na ke se ba pa le bola ke tsebe number 9 a ke tsebe le re ema kae o mamedi ke petetsa ke kena mo mamedi putlele leta le nyo le fuwe bona a sa le ke mata o ma ke tletse ka ground ke petetse ku tla batho ba ntse ba re mu number 9 mu ba re ke goma ke le ra utho gomo le tu mu ke de ka ra ground I did not know my position. I sale ke tletse ke pele ke morao ke mahareng ke ba twetse ba mu har sa maempo.
On a position, doctor.
I can see you
didn't. I did
not recognize. I can't sheba or position ya ke gona give. Rena le batho ba tlanjwalo ha ba fitla ke mu ha tse bo tshwara kae ha tse bo yetsa ha tse bo rola tshwantseng a yetse because aka ana ba le mojolo ba totlo ba bua ka hore he no le monate it was nice ma bone eng ha ba bui o botse motho qoqele motho so that o kgono identify role yo ka gona ngwetla yo tlo ba tlalang bophelo ba motho.
Doctor, next week go ba re bua ka motho o reng ha itla mo relationship a batla go kopana le motho a tswang go eng ha kitla go ha itla mo gona batla mo ruti November mo gona
a re tlo bua ka
next week.
Mamedi nomoro tsa ka ke 073 202 9079 mu 073 202 9079. Mamedi ke na le show between the right people.
Yes.
Mamedi if o batla dating le nna batla lo dula le nna di show o founela nomoro ntsena a ke di tsebe mara ke tla fa tsona ke 07 ke ka fa tsena tsa 079 083 3833. Ke di pita Mamedi 079 083 3833. If batla dating le nna batla lo dula le nna fatshe re qoqo Mamedi wa karata o ka founela nomoro tsedi ke 078 398 3446. Ke di pita 078 398 3446. Mo Mamedi ke kana la phase 6 o kala matisa phase 3 kapa phase 7 o borfelo ya kerekeng ya Pastor November 10 ha ba re November ofi o re 10 e tshweu tsele. Mamedi ha re bonane modimo le bless re tla kopanang hana go ntsetsa ma modimo ha ratile. God bless you. I love you.
Thank you Rale Bogada Dr. November.
Thank you my boss.
Mo be ke ditla ke
re tempa re shapa re betsa mu ke mu Mamedi. Thank you guys. See you next time. Lekker vrijdag. Mamedi, ka 9 o'clock lekker vrijdag ke bua puo phamono o lekker vrijdag o kena Pastor November in Victoria's Faith Ministry o shebe lekker vrijdag o tlampona mo
la bona Friday
la bohlano Friday ka 9 o'clock bosiu ke bua ka tsona dintho tsena.
Thank you doctor.
Thank you. Zaga. Mkhotsa ka ke na wa mkhotsa. Mkhotsa ka le khotsa ke na. Mkhotsa ka le khotsa.
Doctor.
Mkhotsa ka le khotsa. Ke mo rutile.
Kana gore makhotsa re le babedi. Kana gore makhotsa re le babedi.
Doctor guys. Doctor eta show le na ke. Ke na mkhoyena.
Ila no fool. Thank you doctor.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Arko paneka la bohlano lekker vrijdag op Pastor November ke na nwe na doctor top dog doctor guys but baba tamo ya dating lena please guys ebo onsi baba tamo ya dating lena akina ni dava no, I think it's the FM, give me to FM. I think it's the FM, give me to FM. Take it to number 0. The number is 073 202 9079. Can you repeat 073 202 9079? Thank you so much, guys.